WordPress for Beginners, Master WordPress Quickly Review. Hello, my name is Adeline. I am a member of the team SaveWalletCoupons.com. To get the course called WordPress for Beginners, Master WordPress Quickly. All you have to do is to visit our site, SaveWalletCoupons.com, and here you will find an article called WordPress for Beginners, Master WordPress Quickly, Udemy Code. Inside the article you will find two red links. Just click one of them and access the course. Let me show you. Don't worry, you will find the link to the article and to the course in description. Let me tell you the description of the course called WordPress for Beginners, Master WordPress Quickly. The primary goal of this course is to teach anyone, even a complete beginner, how to become a WordPress guru in a few short hours, without lots of technical jargon. I'll guarantee that after taking this course you'll have the knowledge you need to build a responsive, beautiful website with the latest version of WordPress. Not only will you know more than 99% of WordPress users out there, but you'll actually enjoy using WordPress too. This course is taught by WordPress author and teacher, Dr. Andy Williams, who has over a decade of experience using and teaching WordPress to people of all skill levels. About the course. This course will guide you through every single step from installation to finished website. I'll show you how you can install WordPress on your own computer for free, so you don't have to pay for a domain name or hosting fees while you complete this course. Once you've got WordPress installed on your computer, you will learn how to build and run a successful, beautiful, responsive design website you can be proud of. After taking you through all of the main options in WordPress, explaining what each one does and how you set it up, I'll let you watch over my shoulder as I build a WordPress website. It will be an affiliate site that I hope will make me passive income for many years to come. Go and check out the free preview tutorials in section 13. Who is this WordPress course for? Have you ever wanted to build a professional-looking website, but didn't know where to start? Now you can. WordPress for Beginners is a complete course for anyone, no matter what your technical ability. This course assumes no prior knowledge. At the start of the course, I'll walk you through setting up WordPress on your own computer so that you don't need to pay for a web host or a domain name while you master WordPress. When you decide you want to put a website online, you can then watch over my shoulder as I buy a domain name and hosting, and install WordPress online. Whether you decide to host your site on your own computer or in a web host, you'll be ready to start mastering WordPress. We'll start at the very beginning by logging in to have a look around to familiarize ourselves with the main areas of the dashboard. Once you are happy navigating around your new tools, we'll go through the main features you will need as you create your site, including the What You See Is What You Get editor. This is where you enter all of your website content. The media library, to manage your images, videos, sound files and other media you want to share on your site. WordPress settings, and I'll take you step by step to set those up just right. We'll look at the differences between WordPress posts and pages, and I'll give you a simple way of knowing which one to use on any occasion. We'll look at post excerpts, categories and tags, and how to use them on a well-structured site to maximize visitor experience and search engine ranking benefits. You'll see the two main ways you can set your homepage up. We'll create a contact form on the site so visitors can get in touch. We'll set up an About Us page, and I'll explain why this page is important and what information to include on it. We'll cover the legal pages you need. We'll discuss the navigation system on your site, and how you can set up customized navigation in the header, sidebar or footer of your site. We'll also talk about internal site linking. We'll cover WordPress security, and set up a system that will keep the site safe from hackers. We'll check out some great free plugins. Finally, I'll give you a 20-step plan for creating your site. By the end of this course, you will have a website that you're truly proud of. I will review this course with 5 wallets from a max of 5. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I wish you a great day.